On Saturday, 3 mortar shells were fired at Israeli forces operating near Khan Yunis, followed shortly by an IED striking an armored D-9 Bulldozer. No Israeli soldiers were hurt, but the IDF immediately warned civilians to evacuate the area and later targeted the launch site. Separately, the Israeli military admitted mistakenly firing on ambulances and a fire truck in Rafah the previous week, claiming it was responding to suspected Hamas vehicles. Tensions remain high as Israel carries out strikes on alleged Hamas infrastructure and faces international scrutiny over the humanitarian situation in Gaza.